Hello guys, welcome to Creative Projects. Today I am going to show you how to export video in After Effects with H.264 format. So here is my video which I want to export in After Effects. First of all go to File, and then go to Export. So here are 4 options. Ignore these 2 options. After that 2 options are left. The second one is Add to Render Queue. So if I click on this option it will take me to the render queue in After Effects. Go to the Output module, then go to Format. As you can see the H.264 option is not available, which is the best format for export video. So let's go back to our first option. Now if I click on Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue, it will give me an error. In this error it says first install Adobe Media Encoder. So first let's install Adobe Media Encoder. I have the setup of Adobe Media Encoder and the version is 2019. Before installing Adobe Media Encoder please check the version of After Effects. For checking the version of After Effects go to Control Panel, and then go to Uninstall Program, so here you can see the version of After Effects is also 2019. Before installing please disable the internet connection. Now install the Adobe Media Encoder. After installing again go to the Export option and click on Add to Adobe Media Encoder. It will take a few seconds, so please wait for it. So here are the settings of export in Media Encoder. Here select the format H.264. And select location for your video. After complete the settings click on this option. As you can see our exporting has been start. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video then like the video and subscribe my channel for short, quick and easy tutorials.